Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making chicken shawarma. So in order to make chicken shawarma, you'll need 2 chicken fillets cut into strips. You'll also require 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sauce. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. You'll also require the rest of the ingredients listed on the screen. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, ginger and garlic paste. So we'll add all our ingredients first of all to the chicken. So just add it all one by one. Now we're adding our chili sauce. So here we are adding in the ginger and garlic paste now. Everything has been added, we'll just give this a mix. As it's all been mixed together, we're now just going to add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Or you can add 1.5 tablespoons, it's really up to you, but we went for 2. So now we'll just marinate this chicken for around half an hour. You could also leave it overnight. In the meantime, we're going to make our sauce as well. So to make this, you'll need about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And you'll need some dried basil and paprika powder. So we'll just add in that now and give it a mix. And our sauce is now ready, so we'll just set this aside for now. You'll also need salad. So for salad, we went for lettuce leaves, tomatoes, jalapenos and cucumber. We've also got 1 red onion sliced, and we're just going to add vinegar to this as well as a sprinkle of oregano. So we'll just add this in. So it's just going to make it like a pickle. Now we'll start to cook the chicken. We'll add it into a pan and cook it on a medium heat. So just cook this. So the chicken is cooking away nicely now. We'll just continue to cook this. If you want to keep it a little bit juicy, you can add a little splash of water whilst cooking. And here our chicken is ready now, as you can see. So now that the chicken is ready, we're going to drain the vinegar from the onions. And we'll add our salad to this. So here we're adding the cucumbers, tomatoes, jalapenos as well. Now we're adding 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add according to taste. Once we add this in, we're just going to mix it all together. And our salad is now ready. Okay, now that the salad is ready, we'll prepare our wraps. So we've just heated our wrap up. And we're adding the sauce to it now. Add as much as you like and spread it all over the wrap. The wrap is now fully covered in sauce. So now we will add in our chicken pieces. Add as much chicken as you like. Just like that. And now you can start to add your salad in as well. So we're just going in with our pickled onions first. And lettuce, cucumber as well, and then everything. And just like that, our wrap is full. So now we can start to roll the wrap. Once you've rolled your wrap, and it's ready to be enjoyed. Look at the delicious shawarmas that we've made. They're easy to make, delicious and juicy. These are very flavourful, so do give this recipe a try. Also, this recipe is great for kids as well, they'll also enjoy this. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.